What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And today we're going to review some of the pieces for Kith in the Marvel Villains. Yes, they're celebrating, I believe, it's the 85th anniversary of Marvel. And who better to do it than Kith? The more older you get, the more you realize that villains are cool, man. Villains are dope, man. I mean, look, even Tony Stark, our Iron Man, is becoming Dr. Doom. But when you grew up liking a superhero, it's just forever, man. Y'all remember this unboxing? Now we got to get to opening it up. The card is in here, but I don't want to look at the card because the card might give away what's going on. So I don't even want to look at the card, guys. Either colorway in a Wolverine, I'm happy for it. And it's open, guys. I'm going to close my eyes and let y'all see first what's going on. Is it a yay or nay, guys? Yay! Woo! Hold on, I gotta pause the video. Yeah, that was a great moment. I'm happy I could share it with you guys, man. So just like that, Kith came back around, but this time they did the villains. That time it was Kith for the X-Men. So they did the villains. I didn't like none of the sneakers. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I did want to cop the Venom Spider-Man joint because my son loves Spider-Man, and it's a double box, so it's a great collection, but I passed. But the shirts, fire. So first up is the Dr. Octopus tee, but it's called Kith Marvel Otto. You know, Octopus, Dr. Otto, Octavia. You know if you know. I went with this shirt. Well, let me show y'all the shirt, and then I'll tell y'all in a minute. Get a nice, thick, clear, real structured packaging. And this is the Otto tee, Kith Otto tee. Show you the graphic. Real nice material. Great, guys. Great material. Made in Peru. You know how Kith do. You get a nice Kith Marvel tag at the top. And then when you flip it under, it should say made in Peru. Yeah, man, material's dope. I'm not gonna lie. Gotta be true to size. Nice thick material, guys. Not too thick, not too light. Great material. But the main reason I got the shirt was I love the way Dr. Octopus is grabbing the Kith box logo, guys. You see one piece is there. The other piece is there. The Kith logo's breaking. I thought that was super dope off the rip. Nice orange and green look. You turn it to the back. You get the Marvel comics like the old square you used to see in the bottom of the comic books with the same graphic of Dr. Octopus. Well, not the same graphic, but the same suit. Get the Kith logo there and it's popped up 3D, guys. That is super dope, man. So the reason I got this shirt was because I thought it matched these Nina Chanel's perfect, guys. So I went with this shirt off the rip just for that alone. I think it like is a perfect match. The green, the orange. Y'all let me know in the comment section below. And if we talking about villains in Marvel, if you ask me, you cannot put one above the Mad Titan Thanos. I know they finally beat him, but leaving out of that movie theater when Endgame ended, guys, and he won, that was like a crazy time. Like the bad guy never wins, and he won until they had to go back in time. Y'all know the story. It reads Kith Marvel Mad Titan Vintage Tee Black. Look at the logo, guys. Now, I'm not going to lie, on the Kith website, I did not know if it glowed, if it like had highlight, because you're playing with a lot of colors down there. So I was hoping to have like a holographic look, feel to it, but it don't. But I love the way this Kith logo is in black, but you still see it because of the space behind it. But there go the big overall Mad Titan. You see he got the Infinity Stones and everything. I really like this shirt, man, but I really thought it like had like some holograph to it. But let's get close. You see the Kith box logo is like in a stencil black. Then behind it, the space starts to creep in. And just like the Octo Marvel Kith joint, the back, same thing. I got Thanos sitting in the throne. That Kith logo popping up again. Marvel Comics at the top. Same tag also. Same thickness too, but I'm not going to lie. The black one feels a little more droopier than that white one. That white one had more of a muscle texture. So I would say probably if you're going to go for the black ones, size down. Because these seem to be a little more droopier in that essentials look compared to that white. The white one had more of a thick, tight material. But this is the Mad Titan one. Let me know how y'all feel about this one in the comment section below. Yes, sir. So if you go to the site now, they're all sold out. To be honest, I didn't see too many bad ones. I did want to get the Dr. Doom one, but the Dr. Doom one only said Kith in the front and gold with Dr. Doom in the back. I really don't like the graphics in the back of the shirt. I'd rather it on the front, but all of them was dope. I would love to know which ones y'all copped, which ones was y'all favorite. There was a Venom one I liked too, but the two that I got, I really, really wanted, man. Again, I go true to size when it comes to Kith. Both the shirts are medium, but the black one, the material does look a little more loose than the white one. So that's something to think about if going to try to get this shirt off third party. Because I know they taxing because it's sold out on Kith. But shouts out to Kith, man, and shouts out to y'all for checking me out. Just a quick couple of looks at some of the Kith for Marvel Villains, 85th anniversary, Marvel Comics, all that stuff. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching, everybody. Get rich.